Hello, thank you for joining today's webinar session, How to Manage Risk with the Help of Quality Assurance Anywhere. My name is Kevin Devecioğlu. I'm with AnyWare Apps, and today we'll be talking about how you can digitize your risk management operations in this digital age. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you that we have an active YouTube channel where you can visit and learn about our products. We also have recordings of our previous webinar sessions where you can watch, you can share with your colleagues, and you can always visit as a resource anytime you like. That's AnyWare Apps YouTube channel. Today with my colleagues, we'll be talking about how to perform risk management. I have my colleagues Sam Watt and Furkan Bas. So we'll be covering the subject matter. Sam is our pre-sales software engineer from our engineering team, and Furkan is our product manager. My name is Kevin Devecioğlu, and first of all, I'd like to introduce you our product Quality Assurance Anywhere, about its benefits and features. Quality Assurance Anywhere is a quality, risk, audit, and compliance management software. We have more than 1,000 corporate customers and more than 1 million professional users of Quality Assurance Anywhere. And we have been developing this product since 1998. It is mature, it is solid, it is scalable and reliable. That is why we have more than 1,000 corporate customers available and increasing every single month. Quality Assurance Anywhere has a very modern technology. It is ready to connect with any ERP system, CRM systems, manufacturing execution systems, or IoT devices to help you digitize and automate your quality management system. You can comply with many different standards on Quality Assurance Anywhere. It can be ISO 9001, ISO 14000. If you are in food and beverage industry, you can comply with SQF, BRC, ISO 22000, and other standards as you see on the screen. So the system is scalable. It has a very modern technology. You can access it from anywhere with your web browser. It is that simple. And once we train quality managers properly, typically there is no need for any consultant or IT support to run the system on a daily basis, which is a great advantage for quality management teams. Product Quality Assurance Anywhere works on cloud as well as on-premise servers, and it is web-based for you to access from anywhere. It has a modular structure, meaning you can pick and choose what part of the software solution you like. You may want to go for control document management, which is very common. You may want to go for corrective actions, root cause analysis, and other modules of Quality Assurance Anywhere, depending on your quality management system and your priorities and challenges. I list some of the quality management standards on the slide in bottom left. As you see, there are different quality management systems in the market. Typically, all of them asking you to have a document management system in place. They want you to document your activities in the scope of quality management standards. And if we think about for a second, there are three objectives of any quality management standard in the world. The first one is, first of all, quality management systems help you have a safe work environment and help you have a safe product for you and for your customers. Also, all of the quality management standards, as we know it, they all have the requirement of continuous improvement. They want you to make sure that you have continuous improvement in place. And finally, customer satisfaction is another objective for all the quality management systems as we know it. Having said that, when we look at the modules that we have, and these are some of them, by the way, we have more than 30 modules available for Quality Assurance Anywhere. You can cover pretty much all the activities of your company. So when we look at these modules and its capabilities as to Quality Assurance Anywhere, it is more than quality management system. That's an actually integrated management system, if you think about it. So that's a great advantage and available for you to go for. By the fact that you can pick and choose any module you like, you have the flexibility and freedom to basically decide how you like to utilize the system based on your priorities and challenges. Okay, great. So that was the overview of quality assurance anywhere on a high level. Now I'd like to invite my colleague, Samad, to demo quality assurance anywhere's risk management module for you. So you can see it in action yourself, and you can see how important it is to run and perform risk management in a digital environment with the help of quality assurance anywhere. Sam, if you are ready, feel free to take over the screen.
So thank you, Kevin, for the presentation. And this is Sam. So today I will demonstrate Quality Assurance Anywhere, which is our quality risk audit and compliance management system. And this is the homepage of the system. And you can see all the pending tasks and also the request for approval will be shown on this home screen. And you will see what kind of task is assigned to you or the request that is waiting for your approval. And you can get a quick connection from this widget on this homepage. For example, the document is waiting for me to approve. And you can get a quick connection and start proceeding with this request. And this software is a permission-based system, which means not everyone can see everything in the system. And instead, you will see what you're supposed to do. For example, in the main menu, you will have your own menu based on the permission is granted by your role, position, profession, department, or group. And since now I'm logging in as the administrator, so that I have the full control of the system. And in this demonstration, I will show you in a high level of risk management module, which allows you to manage your risk and also record the likelihood and also the impact of the risk that you are assessing. And let's get started. In this module, first of all, you can create your risk assessment planning. Think about the plan or the planning is the goal that you want to achieve. For example, we want to have a health and safety risk assessment planning. And then you can create the risk assessment item under this planning. For example, you will carry out different assessment for different departments, like production department, shipping, packaging, or manufacturing department, for example, so that you can create different record under this planning. And the system will show you all the records that you have in this under this planning. And on your left, you can see different color. It's showing you how your impact and also how likely it's going to happen in your company. And you can create a new record so that you can enter the information, for example, like the name and also the definition and the business area. And please keep in mind is the design that you can see on this page can always be updated based upon the need of your company. So for example, right here, we have a recognize and identify the problem and then the source of the risk that we can choose from a list. And again, all the items you can see here can be updated or managed based upon the actual operation of your company. And right here, we can enter the result, what could be wrong when this happened to your company. And you can pick and choose the impact. For example, like if it is significant or it is just a minor impact to our company. And also you can pick and choose the likelihood, like how likely is this problem happen in your company, like very high, high, moderate, low, and very low. Again, we can always manage this list. For example, instead of scale of 5, you can have a scale of 3 instead. So let's say it is very high. And you will see the risk score will calculate it automatically by the system. And right here, you will see the risk index, like combining the impact, considering the impact and also the likelihood, how it will affect your company in overall. And then you can schedule a responsible person in order to take care of this risk. So now all the information are ready. And next is, based upon this risk assessment, you can open a precaution record. For example, like you can attach a document that you have saved in the control document management module as a reference for the responsible team or responsible person. Or you can go to the corrective action and select an existing record or create a new record in corrective action module, since we have a built-in integration between this module and the corrective action module, as known as Kappa module in the system. Anyway, if we want to have a new record, and the system will take you to a new to the corrective action page, which allows you to create a new corrective action, which you will see on your screen in a second. So this is the page of corrective action module, and you can create a new corrective action, like entering the non-conformity, assign this to a solution team, and attach any document if needed from your local drive. So after that, you can save this, and this record will be saved in the system. And you can find all of this record in a list. And if there is any need, or if it is necessary that you want to start the revision of this risk assessment record, for example, you will evaluate it every 3 months, for example, then you can start the revision process, and you will see the revision number or the version number will update automatically. And the system will increment the version number automatically for you once you start your revision process. And then you can save this, and this record will update automatically. And the reason why that you can keep revising your record is because you can see also the trend of this risk record that you saved in the system. And in the risk assessment module, you can use the reporting tool to generate the ready-made report. For example, the general risk list that will show you all the risk assessment records that you have created or generated in the system, and also the action report that shows you all the precaution action that you have saved in the system. Also, you can use the graphical reporting tool and see which, for example, like our business area have the most, or how many times that we have create the risk assessment for particular business area. And also you can set the condition on your left before you're generating the graphical report. For example, you can see the source of the risk, and then it will be shown in a pie chart and showing you how many records that we have created based upon the source of the risk, like process, external, people, or relationship. You will see this graphical report in a pie chart, or you can change it into a bar chart. And all the data will also show in the table, and you're more than welcome to export this report into Excel, PDF, or image for sharing with any responsible parties. And this is how the system helped you to digitize your risk management operations for your company. And it's come to the end of my demonstration. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sam, for the demonstration. As you see during the demonstration, you can perform your risk management tasks digitally with the help of Quality Assurance Anywhere. You can have collaboration, with your team members to make sure you are putting the risks in consideration from important and valid points of views, and you have a chance to share ideas with your team members. Furthermore, you can take corrective actions to mitigate the risk, to control the risk, and to better your business processes in a digital environment. So all these can be run digitally on Quality Assurance Anywhere in a safe and secure environment. It is reportable, traceable, and it has an audit trail. So thanks to its permission-based system, anyone can access the company, from your company, access the system based on the user's permissions, so that you have the security features in place as for Quality Assurance Anywhere. And all these can be run digitally and remotely. You don't have to be in the office. All you need is an internet access. And you can connect Quality Assurance Anywhere via any web browser, just like connect any other website, which is a very practical approach if you think about it. And there is no need of paper, by the way. So during this time that we are facing COVID-19, many people and many companies are working remotely or encouraging their employees to work remotely. Quality Assurance Anywhere is a great tool, great resource to utilize to work remotely, to perform tasks remotely, and to measure performance remotely. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Sam, thank you very much again for the demonstration and for the insights. So before we end this webinar session, I'd like to remind you our YouTube channel, AnyWare Apps YouTube channel, where you can see recordings of our webinar sessions, and you can also see introductory videos of our products available in this YouTube channel. Especially when you click playlist, you have a chance to see what is available as to webinar recordings, product videos, and other resources. So we definitely encourage you, we welcome you, we invite you to our YouTube channel. If you like to schedule a one-to-one session to see our products in detail and to share your challenges with us as to digital transformation and quality management, please feel free to send us an email or give us a call. I am keeping our contact information on the screen right now, so you can see our phone number as well as our email address. And there is a list of products within AnyWare Apps product family: Quality Control, Bank-Link, X3 Anywhere, Asset Management Anywhere, Workflow Anywhere, Data Sync Anywhere, and Quality Assurance Anywhere, as we just demonstrated for you. I'd like to thank you for your time and thank you for your interest. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us or email us, and we are looking forward to seeing you in our coming webinar sessions. Thank you very much and have a nice day.